By the way, you can grab stuff when you're jumping around. What I do is just roll around and keep trying to grab stuff. Like I just picked up a backpack and a helmet. My shit still isn't loaded.
I'm still not loaded. Look at this. This looks ridiculous.
There we go.
I got a scar though.
I got bullets.
Oh, look at you running ahead of me to get those pain meds. Look at you, you shithead. What a shithead you are. That was my side of the roof.
What do you mean? I fucking need them. It's not like you're
just like
hurt.
ran. Are you hurt?
I saw them. I went
That's
for
where I
them.
landed, man. You fuck.
There, I just dropped the helmet. You
Yeah, don't give me those shitty one, you fuck. After you took the good meds. Get away from me, you fucking goddamn. I want.
Hey, level 3
Oh,
backpack.
yeah.
There, I'll leave that for you. Halo.
Level 3 helmet. That was fucking awesome. The first time.
I just found a level 3
Wow.
helmet as well. There you go, Halo. Have
Oh,
a
I
level
just
2
found a
helmet.
med kit and a 4-scope. How about that? And a 2-back.
What's going on here?
I got a 2-scope and a
Level 2
4-scope.
vest. All right, this is a good round.
I got a.
Oh my god, I just picked up fucking 3 health kits.
I got a 2-scope and a 4-scope and a med kit and a scar and a fucking 2 helmet. Like, oh my god, what is going on in this game right now?
Yeah, I got level 3 backpack, level 3 helmet, 3 health kits, level 2 vest.
We're in the circle too.
Let's make this count, boys.
This was that. This was because of.
Yeah, seriously.
This is all because of that game where we had to chase the circle last game.
Oh my god, there's another
Oh, that
health
was
kit.
bullshit.
Oh my god, 556.
All right, I'm confident the 3rd floor is clear. Search the whole 3rd floor.
Oh, fuck yeah. Look, there's a scar up here in case anyone wants
already
it.
got
What's the Tommy gun?
There's an ump down here.
Yeah, I'll take that demon. I'm coming. Oh, you're way out there. I'll take the ump, Halo.
Yeah, go for it. I'm loaded.
You're like, fuck
I got
you.
it. Yeah, he comes and takes this too.
Well, I don't have anything. I only had a
I know,
shotgun.
I'm just fucking kidding.
You don't know, the chat ain't paying attention. They believe you.
Damn right they believe me.
Fucking zealots.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Elias? There's an M16, yeah.
Level
Oh.
2 vest here.
I'm gonna take that.
2nd floor, front of the building. Oh, the D-Moon, that was you with me. Did you pick that up?
What, the level 2 vest?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked it up.
Oh, wait, does the other guy have the mic? Is the 4th guy talking?
Yeah, you invited him,
No,
right?
that's just some random guy.
Yeah, I invited him, but I didn't know if he was talking.
Oh, I got you. No, yeah.
It's another mute.
Suda? Oh, they
Oh,
joined.
level-
It's always a
level
good sign
3
when they
back-
join,
backpack.
because that probably means they're at least listening.
Yeah,
Did you... Where was that scar? Did somebody say they had the
Yeah,
scar?
yeah.
Yeah, it's outside. You gotta go.
I got a Scar L or whatever,
It's,
which is the scar, basically.
in those
Where
bins.
outside?
I'll show you right now. I'll be there.
Oh, and the crates here?
Yeah, you gotta make your way up though. There's like a little pathway on the side. And it'll be outside.
Got it, thank you. Got any spare ammo?
Yeah, I got some.
I'm gonna go look for the car. Something we need to drive.
Did you guys check these houses? Yeah, you did. Alright, cool.
I'll give you some ammo right here.
Let's, meantime, I'm gonna run south.
Let me get you some ammo.
I'm trying to find a vehicle for us. Leah's game's almost at 100, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Cool.
Nice. Any scopes?
I got
or
a
anything?
4-scope and a 2-scope. If anybody wants a 2-scope.
I'd be down for that too, scope. Just meet up first.
I'm over here at this other building.
I'm gonna run south to those houses down there.
I'm over here.
I don't think the guy has a mic.
Yeah, right. Well, it's about that. It actually did go faster than I expected it to. But you still gotta get in, everything.
She probably didn't download any of the patches, right?
I don't know if she downloaded the patches. I assume it downloaded everything because she already had the game, so that download must have been the patch.
Yeah.
There's a
stupid card
there's an
patch.
an M16 in here. Took the ammo.
Yeah, bullets, right? Next to it? Yeah, I want the ammo.
Anybody needs the ammo. I mean, I got 150 rounds.
Yeah, pick up the ammo. I'll bring it and I'll take it from you because I only got 30
Well,
for
Leah?
that, I think, right now.
Use your headset again, Leah.
I said, hey,
Shotgun.
look over here.
What the hell? What are you doing up, honey? Can you go back? Oh god, she's awake. That's it. There's a bike over here. Oh, Brenna's not going back to sleep tonight. So she's gonna be up all night, all day. My daughter just woke up, so that means she's up. Like, that's it. She ain't laying down. She's up. Oh my god, dude, I almost
shit.
fucking shot you.
Yeah, I shot
Oh
you
my
too. I
god.
was like, what the fuck is that?
There's a bike over here. I'm gonna use
Alright,
it to go
they
look
took
for a
over the dog.
car.
Level 2 helmet, in case
got
anyone needs
one.
it. Pretty sure we're all good though.
I'm gonna go look for a car. I'll be right back.
We're still in the circle.
Yeah, we're in the
Still
circle.
right? Yeah.
Good to have one though. It's a good plan.
I'm really shocked that no one came this way. It's really surprising.
Yeah, I mean, it's right over the flight path.
There's a buggy. Why is there no Jeep yet?
Yeah, I'm with you, D-Moon. I actually don't really like the M16, even though like it's got the best muzzle velocity, so it's best for distances. But
Yeah,
I'd
but
rather
you-
have the Scar to put like the attachments on and shit.
Yeah, me too. Or like, the ump or something. I don't know. I just don't like it. I'm a fan of it.
I need health, so if anybody finds health, I've got one med kit, but I could use health.
Plus the auto fire. Oh shit, yeah, I got some for you. I got a med kit. Oh, I got a vehicle inbound. The building I'm in. I'm down south.
I'm heading
Oh, it's
over
coming
there.
north to you guys. It drove right past my building.
I'm coming back then.
I'm way down south. I'm not even in the ones I marked. Oh shit, you're far away. Cronin Suda, it was heading north, like to you guys, or maybe to the
Where's the
substation we
the
started.
other, got the other player with me too. You gonna head over here, Troy?
Yeah, I'll be over there in a minute.
I'm gonna loot all
Just
these
making sure
buildings.
you guys don't get attacked by somebody.
Won't be a hero.
I'll stand on this mountain and snipe them.
Fuck. Oh.
Alright, well, I'm gonna check the other side then for a vehicle.
Did anyone check those houses over there?
I didn't
West.
check anything yet, no.
Check them out. Yeah. Hopefully there's no one here. I hear
I hear them
gunshots.
too, yeah.
It's in the distance, but they're close by.
She's stupid.
Hey, you should be in bed. I can't hear you, sweetie.
I'm picking up some ammo for you, Troy.
Hold on a minute, baby.
Run off. This is God. Go to bed. If you don't go to bed,
Can't-
I will tell Santa. 8 times scope.
Nice.
Found a car, found a car.
98?
No, like a real car for us to drive. Nice.
Alright, I got some bandages and I got some ammo for you, Troy.
What? I can't hear you, baby. I'm playing a game right now. You should be sleeping. You should be in bed. What are you doing? My friend's copying you? How are they copying you? This is a crazy boy that copies you.
I
thought
found
you
a
were a
car
crazy girl.
98K. I don't know if I should keep the scar and take the car.
Nice.
You are nice. Okay. Well, how's he
What else do
copying
you have? I would keep the car.
I get the
Here, hop in,
I guess
hop
I'll
on
ditch
the
the
couch,
keep
lay
the
down.
scar in the car.
Yeah,
Okay.
ditch the ump. Fuck that.
Hey, how we doing
We'll
on
be
the
up in a
circle,
few
by the way?
minutes. It's coming. You're out of it. But the
not
new
too
one.
far, though. We still
yeah,
got
you're
3
not
minutes.
far. I'm coming with the car though. Anyway.
Baby
Sure,
wants
meet up, though.
semi-loaded ump. I'm dropping it.
Maybe our friend over here is not talking.
Lay down, sweetie. Deadpool, thanks for the 15 bits. I don't think bits pop up unless you do at least 30 bits, I think. I think that's what it is. It doesn't alert at least. I can see them come up, but they don't, it doesn't alert. Woo! I just flew through the air. Oh, here comes a big one. Here comes a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh!
It's alright.
There's one. Where's Troy? Oh, I'll get blue.
He's all the way back there. Yeah.
I'll meet you in Malta. I gotta actually have a sniper.
My bad, dude.
You know what that means? We're probably gonna die a horrible death.
It's gonna suck. Especially because we actually started off pretty good.
We're doing really good with stuff, yeah.
Saw a new tip the other day. When you get down into the final circle with the last few people, fucking skim down, drop all your excess ammo so you can drop your backpack. That way if you're crawling in the grass, it doesn't show you.
Mark a spot where you want to go.
I think we should at least cross the bridge, no? Oh no, we're on the other side. Never mind.
Let's just
Let's hang out.
stay in Malta. Like,
Yeah, until we figure out.
like where I marked, like park the car back here. That way it's kind of hidden, but we can be ready to go in case we need to cross the bridge.
Sounds good.
Because it still could go
Yeah.
across the island. We don't know where the next one's gonna go.
Right. Yeah, good call.
Damn, that airdrop's all the way over there.
Shot at
Oh,
tire.
what the fuck? Yeah, right tire.
Keep going on the left. Back up.
Holy shit.
Hit the boost.
Wow.
That's the hood right
Oh
there.
boy.
Back up, back
Get
up.
out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Car's a mess. Take cover. Where do you think that's coming from?
The
from behind us. Just
neighborhood
get
over
back
there.
in. Let's drive away. Going to fire now. Coming from the bridge. I say get in and let's just drive away.
Alright, start driving.
Everybody pile in. Let's go.
Go.
Everybody
Go,
in.
go,
Everybody
go.
in. Everybody in. Suda. Oh, he's healing. He's healing.
Got him. It was definitely. It sounded like it was way back there. Leah, why is the screen blank? Told you, man. The tire's really. It's like really busted. You know what we should do is bust all the tires
not
and
plan
just
that,
drive
did you?
all crappy. Oh. We should probably, yeah, settle at this house over here and just hold up in it. Wow, we're still getting shots?
Wow. Motherfuckers are over here too. They're all over the place. Everyone's settled already.
Hit these in between. We're gonna blow up. We gotta get out as soon as we get to a house.
We're in the yellow.
This works.
Let's take this house. Get out, get out, get out.
Holy shit.
Oh, shit,
That was me the shot. Sorry, I panicked.
Where are those coming from?
Yeah, that's.
Where are they coming from?
They're coming from all over the place. I think we got hit all sides. Shit.
Whoa! The window!
Yeah,
Yep.
keep your head in the swivel here.
I'm gonna take that med kit now. Jesus, everyone can see us.
Let them waste those.
I got a 2-scope I'm gonna drop.
I'm
I dropped the 2-scope.
going for it.
It's obviously coming to all 160, 150, but wow. I must have a crazy scope, or there's just a lot of people.
Shit, we're gonna have to move.
Yeah. There's a boat, 255, away from all that bad action.
Where, can you tag it? Do you see it?
Yeah, hold on.
I hear a
I hear a
bike.
bike too, yeah. It's like,
Oh, they're coming. Okay,
it's like out here.
50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50.
Is there an upstairs here?
They're heading out. They're heading out. We should start heading out.
Yeah. Oh, where? We gonna swim across? Oh,
Or
fuck, I
grab
see
the boat, yeah. If they grab the boat, I could shoot them.
The boat is in the circle. We could get there.
It's too bad the car didn't work.
We should just get there and then kind of just hide for a little bit. All right, let's head out.
Shit, I think the boat
We
might
gotta-
be way out there, actually, in the far inlet. I don't think it's as close as we think it is.
Yeah. It's near the mountains there.
I'm pretty sure that I just
Yeah.
marked it. The green dot is the boat. I don't think we can run to there. We could try. You want to try to run? We should do something because we only got a minute before the circle starts
Let's
closing.
go,
We should
let's
move.
go now.
let's go.
We gotta
Yeah,
go,
yeah,
yeah.
let's go, let's go.
Fuck it. See if these people are still looking out this window. They would've...
Let's go to the back.
They didn't shoot me this time, so...
Yeah, because they got distracted with the guy in the motorcycle.
Yeah. There comes a motorcycle.
Fuck it. Let's go for the boat. Everyone else is going to be going for the circle, right? Hopefully we are the only people that saw the boat.
Hopefully.
Just watch our right.
Hopefully.
Well, we're gonna make the
Your
circle.
vehicle
it's
off
just
to
a
the
matter
right.
of-
Oh, straight ahead
Oh,
of us.
shit, he's
Vehicle
gonna-
coming at us. Straight ahead. Look out.
Oh! It blew up T-Moon!
No.
It blew up T-Moon! No, Moon! No!
Oh my God.
Keep running, keep running.
Come loot. There's a level 3 helmet. We got
Give
ammo.
my shit. Give me shit. Give me shit. Yeah, give me shit.
Get all the
Dude,
help,
back,
get all the
back.
help you guys can. I'm heading to the boat. And I'm gonna cover it with the sniper. There's a couple boats out there. There's more than one. There's also care package dropping ahead of it.
Dibs on the
So people are gonna
SKS.
start looking at us over here. Oh man, D-Moon blew up, bro.
It was worth it. I distracted you guys.
I'll tell you what, it looked pretty epic.
Will always love you.
Seriously, you gotta edit that.
How you friend blew up?
Because the Jeep blew up. And he went with it.
Oh, that's
Thanks,
really
bud.
sad. That's
Make it count, guys.
Yeah. I'm swimming out to the boat. Yeah,
You could still make the circle inside.
yeah. The boat's in the boat is
shore,
in the
or
circle.
outside the shore.
Who got credit for those kills?
I didn't get it. I
Whoever
did help
blew
blow
up
it
the
up
car.
though, but I didn't get the credit.
I seriously should have gotten it
Suda.
though. I
Hopefully
hate the
we
entire
move.
fucking truck.
Yeah, you did a great job jumping over the first time, and then he got lucky.
There's
back
a
in
whole
India.
team over here going for the other
Oh
boat.
shit, dude! Oh, fuck.
Oh.
That is insane. I would hide, Joe.
I did.
wouldn't
I
stay
jumped
out on the
down.
shore.
Go.
Yeah, just let them go off because you guys are still good.
Watch this.
Kill.
Oh, nice.
Did they get him? Are they in the boat? I can't see them because this. Our
They
boat's in
drove
the way.
away.
Oh, now I
Yeah.
see him.
Great show
damn it,
tonight.
Caleb.
Joe just finished watching. I was a bit behind tonight. Congrats on me.
It's all good.
Win.
I'm in.
I lost it when Tommy said he gets pussy. What a fat
we're getting
fucking
shot at.
liar. Ha 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 ha.
No, it's me raining down fucking blows
Oh,
to
okay,
them.
good.
I'm gonna swim out to you, or come back to the camp. Take an energy drink.
That boat weight makes it weight.
Hop in, hop in, hop in.
Go, go, go!
Whoa!
Right up, because we're gonna take those houses. Go right to my green marker. We're gonna run up to the shore. We're gonna run up to the left of these houses.
I got the force scope if you want to switch with me.
Those yellow houses on the left. Let's take those. Might have a few people in them, but fuck
Yeah,
it.
well, we'll have the mountain on us.
Place to
Oh,
be.
getting shot.
Uh-oh.
Get ready. Use the boat as cover.
Get off
Great
of it.
parking job.
Get up
It
that
might
hill.
have been from in these houses because
Be ready, because it's our bridge side, so it's likely there's people
Yeah.
here, but let's take them. I'm just gonna throw a frag in this close
Okay.
one.
Go for it.
I think I threw it low. Get away from the house. I threw it low. Get away from the house. I missed
Yeah,
it.
you threw it low.
For some reason, it was on the low thing. I don't know why.
Oh, we hurt the blue guy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Soda's down. He didn't fucking see it. Shit. Sorry, Soda. I'm coming for him. I'm gonna get him.
All right,
I'm gonna get him. I feel bad. It's my bad.
He's
Or did he get fucked up from
like-
behind?
I don't know.
like,
Oh, no,
you
he might have got
fucking
fucked up from
idiots.
behind. He's on the hill.
Someone's pulling up
I
here.
think This is my
Someone's
grenade.
pulling up here.
I was gonna go back for him, but he's way too fucking exposed.
Someone's here.
I feel really bad. You know, Igor, normally I try to do that.
Someone's here.
All right, well, fucking stay away from the windows. Stay low.
I'm low in the bathroom. I
we have a
got
second
good shot
floor?
of It's the crappy second floor with that tiny window. Oh, we're out of the next circle.
You guys are pretty close, though. You guys can kind of
Yeah, jump out and move a little
make
bit.
time a little bit.
Yeah, and there won't be anybody behind us probably.
Oh, they're
This is
killing.
where you got to
they're
make those
killing our
tough
buddy.
choices if you go now.
Oh, Halo, do you need health? Come up here and I'll drop health for you. Do you need a health pack? I got like 5. Oh my god, I can see a guy through the fucking little window up here.
Oh, really? Wow.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I missed my shot, but Halo, if you want health, come up here. I'll drop it for you.
All right. Yeah, I don't have any spare health. I'm full health, but I don't have any spare health.
Yeah, I got med packs.
Take this 5.56 too.
I'm gonna drop a couple med packs. Just dropped 3 med packs up here.
Awesome. That's insane.
So I can see that house.
Thank you, Deadpool.
I can see this building through the little window. The guy just ran up inside it. I don't know, not inside it, but behind it.
Oh, he
Behind
ran
that
off
side.
of it.
That's crazy.
We got 40 seconds before we gotta move. Alright, Suda,
He's
I
like,
really
fuck
fucking
you
see
guys. Not good.
I ran out because I thought maybe it was my grenade that killed him, but it wasn't. He got killed running up the hill.
No, we were getting shot
Should
from
we shoot
behind.
these guys?
So you guys got to make sure that. I would probably
Yeah,
start getting out
we
of the
gotta
house.
get going. I'll take a look.
I hear.
It's me. We gotta go that way. I'm gonna jump out the bathroom window probably in a minute. But we got some time before the blue hits us.
No one's moving? Oh, okay.
Oh, there's somebody right in front of us running out in
Oh,
front
yeah,
of our
see him.
building. Two guys.
Oh, shit. There's 3.
Got him once in the head. He's looking at me now, though.
Nice.
He's ducking down. He's ducking down. Gotta run at him.
Get down, get down.
He's gonna get me, Troy. He's gonna get me. I knocked him down.
Where,
I downed
where?
him. I downed him, but they're gonna know where I am. I'm healing. I'm healing. I'm healing.
Oh, I'm down.
Oh, wow.
Ah.
I had no idea where there were people or we were being shot at. Did anybody call anything out? I just ran out the front door. I didn't know anybody was
I
being
was
shot
already
at.
at the spot. I was way ahead. Way. Oh, no grenade for you, bro. That guy was gonna throw a grenade and I popped him.
I'm dead.
I got you. He's done.
Shit.
Halo, go to my body. I had the fucking sniper and frags
I know.
and health.
I'm
and a
not gonna
med
move.
kit.
I got.
You got 30 seconds. Go to my body.
I don't know
No,
where you are.
close
I
to
don't
me.
want to. I don't even want to go there.
I can't spectate. I can't fucking spectate. What the fuck?
That's my body to your left. The skull to your left. It's like 10 feet
You're
to your
in the
left right
zone,
now.
bro. You're in the zone.
Oh, I'm out of the ring. Yeah, all right. And you got 10 seconds before it starts moving. Stay to your left. Stay to the outside of the ring.
Yep.
Follow the ring to the left.
Yep. Yep. I got 44 rounds left too.
It's about to move.
I can loot this guy's stuff.
You gotta go, dude.
His bandages.
If you have any pills, take them now.
Bandages. 556.
Run,
Go, go, go,
run,
go, 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 go,
run.
go, go, go.
run. To your left more. The ring's coming. Move to your left. Lead. The ring's coming. Move to your left. To your left. Probably people in the buildings. Careful.
Probably.
I get in the house. There's people in the trees behind you to your left.
Yeah, I hear the person in the house.
Oh shit, Joe.
Only 3 other people.
Told you it's
Don't expose yourself.
I can play.
Yeah, keep going uphill. Go hide in the trees there.
Told you it's not bad.
I know it's not bad.
So can we play it? Do you know what?
I hear somebody behind you to
Yeah,
right.
Me too.
No, it's coming from that side.
Stop wiggling around behind me. Come on.
I think it's coming
I
from
think
your
it is
left.
too. Yeah, bottom
Downhill.
left. Yeah. It's like someone down there who can see. I can't see through the tree.
You will have to move towards him. Towards that.
Oh, I see someone
circle
getting
moves
shot.
in 10 seconds.
Oh.
2 left. It's only him.
Yeah, stay behind that tree. Don't run too far out. The bullets were coming from behind you, though. Now it's coming from the other houses.
Oh, there he is.
I think he's got to be. Yeah, he's in the house.
Yeah! 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 Fuck yeah!
Chicken dinner,
Where's
baby.
Leah? Where's Leah for that? Chicken dinner! First game of the night!
Awesome, dude.
Woo! Dude, I destroyed people.
Wow. The level 1 vest.
Level 1.
Level 1 vest. We were. Me and Troy had fucking level 3 like helmets and everything. Looking guy.
Wow, what a fucking night, dude. Holy shit. Oh man, I thought he was the other way too, and I just turned like on. I seen him running through the circle, and then just in the head with that level 3 helmet too. God damn it! I wish I recorded that.
It's so weird because when you're spectating, it looks like you're shooting like a second behind him. So I was like, "Oh my god, he's fucking blowing it!"
I know.
But you did a great job actually pacing your shots there, fucking honing them in.
USA wins curling. Now Joe gets a gets a chicken dinner. Oh my god, man! Holy shit! I'm gonna go find out where Leah is. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna buy a new crate in celebration. Spend 4,200 on it.
Oh
guys.
man, I can't even afford one. I wasted all my funds.
Oh, fucking Charlie Brown shirt. I've been pacing him out. I only buy 3 crates a week. So it's been up to
Charlie
2,800.
Brown shirt. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's the yellow T-shirt with the stripes across it.
Yeah. I fucking hate those. I only get T-shirts. I never get any like hats or anything like that.
Level 2 vest here.
I'm gonna take that.
2nd floor, front of the building. Oh, the D-Moon, that was you with me. Did you pick that up?
What, the level 2 vest?
Yeah.
Yeah, I picked it up.
Oh wait, does the other guy have the mic? Is the 4th guy talking?
Yeah, you invited him.
No,
right?
that's just some random guy.
Yeah, I invited him, but I didn't know if he was talking.
Oh, I got you. No, yeah.
It's another mute.
Suda? Oh, he
Oh,
joined.
level-
It's always a
level
good sign
3
when they
back-
join,
backpack.
because that probably means they're at least listening.
Yeah,
Did you... Where was that scar? Did somebody say they had the
Yeah,
scar?
yeah.
Yeah, it's outside. You gotta go.
I got a Scar L or whatever,
It's,
which is the scar basically.
in those
Where
bins.
outside?
Yeah, there's a scar up here in case anyone
Oh, I
wants
already
it.
got it.
With the Tommy gun.
There's an ump down here.
Yeah, I'll take that demon. I'm coming. Oh, you're way out there. I'll take the ump halo.
Yeah, go for it. I'm loaded.
You're like, fuck.
I got it. Yeah, he comes and takes this too.
Well, I don't have anything. I only had a
I know,
shotgun.
I'm just fucking kidding.
You don't know. The chat ain't paying attention. They believe you.
Damn right they believe me.
Fucking zealots.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Elias? There's an M16, yeah.
I'll show you right now. I'll be there.
Oh, and the crates here?
Yeah, you gotta make your way up though. There's like a little pathway on the side. And it'll be outside.
Got it. Thank you. Got any spare ammo?
Yeah, I got some.
I'm gonna go look for the car. Something we need to drive.
Did you guys check these houses? Yeah, you did. Alright, cool.
I'll give you some ammo right here.
Let's, meantime, I'm gonna run south.
Let me get you some ammo.
I'm trying to find a vehicle for us. Leah's game's almost at 100, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Cool.
Nice. Any scopes?
I got
anything?
a 4-scope and a 2-scope. If anybody wants a 2-scope. Ed kitten and a 4-scope. How about that? And a 2-back.
What's going on here?
I got a 2-scope and a
Too
4-scope.
fast. Alright, this is a good round.
I got a.
Oh my
Oh.
god, I just picked up fucking 3 health kits.
I got a 2-scope and a 4-scope and a med kit and a scar and a fucking 2 helmet. Like, oh my god, what is going on in this game right now?
Yeah, I got level 3 backpack, level 3 helmet, 3 health kits, level 2
We're in the
vest.
circle too.
Let's make this count, boys.
This was because of
Yeah, seriously.
this is all because of that game where we had to chase the circle last game.
Oh my god, there's another
Oh, that
health
was
kit.
bullshit.
Oh my god, 556.
Alright, I'm confident the 3rd floor is clear. Search the whole 3rd floor.
Oh, fuck yeah. Look.
By the way, you can grab stuff when you're jumping around. What I do is just roll around and keep trying to grab stuff. Like I just picked up a backpack and helmet. My shit still isn't loaded.
I'm still not
but-
loaded. Look at this. This looks ridiculous.
There we go.
I got a scar though.
I got bullets.
Oh, look at you running ahead of me to get those
Okay,
pain
I
meds.
don't
Look at you, you shithead. What a shithead you are. That was my side of the roof.
What do you mean? I fucking need them. It's like
You
you're
just like
hurt.
ran. Are you hurt?
I saw them. I went
That's
for
where I
them.
landed, man. You fuck.
There, I just dropped the helmet. You got
Yeah,
that
don't
one.
give me those shitty one, you fuck. After you took the good meds. Get away from me, you fucking goddamn. I want.
Hey, level 3
Oh, hell
backpack.
yeah.
There, I'll leave that for you. Halo.
Level 3 helmet. That was fucking awesome. The first
I just
time.
found a level 3
Wow.
helmet as well. There you go, Halo. Have
Oh,
a
I
level
just
3
found a
helmet.
med.